Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm here today to bring you this 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. The 320 Sundancer is one of the most popular boats Sea Ray has ever built because it does a lot of things very well and it has a lot of features and options. And this boat has the submersible swim platform, it has the optional tanning lounge, has the overhead retractable awning, hardtop with the skylight, large seating area in the cockpit with storage under each one of the seats, and then also in the cockpit it's equipped with an electric grill, a sink, a refrigerator, a dedicated trash bin. Other amenities like the cockpit air conditioning make this boat really comfortable. It's spacious. There's a cockpit table that you can set up. It stores easily in the engine room when you're not using it. This boat's equipped with some options that you may not see on other 320 Sundancers. For instance, the Simrad screens or the upgraded 12-inch screens. It has radar. And this boat's equipped with the 6.2 Mercury 350 horse engine package, which is the most desirable engine package for this boat. Another feature that makes the 320 Sundancer so popular is the walk-through windshield going to the bow and the recessed bow seating. This area has a lot of things going on up here. You got pop-up headrest, drop-down armrest, charging ports for your phone, remote for the stereo, optional cockpit table. It's just a very comfortable place to hang out, and because it's recessed and it has railing around it, you can sit up there while the boat's underway, even at high speed. Not only is the Sea Ray 320 an awesome day boat, but it's also set up for overnight stays. And down below there's a microwave, a refrigerator, a forward berth that converts to a dining area, an aft berth that features two twin beds that can be put together with filler cushions to make a large queen-size berth. And this area has its own flat-screen TV as well. Also inside there's a head with a vacuum flush toilet, vessel-style sink, opening port, shower, air conditioning vent, everything you need for a comfortable overnight stay. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This boat's always been on freshwater, low hours, only 38 hours, has warranty out to 2030. All the options that you could possibly want, including the screen upgrade, the radar, the 350 horse engine package, which is the best engine package for this boat. If you're interested in this boat, my name is Wally Wells. I'm with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Thanks for watching.